Imported red fire ants are a serious problem. They're a threat to people, property, pets, and wild animals. Highly aggressive, fire ants sting with a powerful venom. Left untreated, stings can become infected. In extreme cases, people highly allergic to their venom have been known to go into anaphylactic shock. Fire ants also damage property. They're attracted to electrical fields, damaging devices such as air conditioners, electrical outlets, pumps, and landscape lighting. Since first transported to North America in the early 1930s, fire ants have been rapidly expanding their territory, currently occupying over 300 million acres across the U.S. Fire ants are easy to identify. Their dome-shaped mounds may be very small or as large as 3 feet across. Colonies can extend deep into the ground, allowing them to seek favorable environmental conditions. For further protection, they commonly nest underneath sidewalks, driveways, trees, and structures. In these protected areas, it's difficult to eliminate colonies with insecticides that kill by contact, such as dusts, granules, and mound drenches. Red imported fire ants are polymorphic, which means there are different size workers within a colony. They range in size from 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch in length. They're reddish-brown in color. They have a 2-segmented petiole and a stinger. Red imported fire ants occur as both monogyne, single queen, and polygyne, multiple queen colonies. Polygyne fire ants can form super colonies that extend over large areas where individual mounds cooperate, sharing food and water. Monogyne colonies are territorial and will defend their foraging area. Fire ants reproduce by swarming and budding. Mating flights can occur several times a year when conditions are favorable. Like termites, fire ants tend to swarm on a warm, sunny day following a heavy rain. The males die soon after mating. The new queens lose their wings and seek out a protected area to start a new colony. Polygyne colonies can also reproduce by budding. A queen moves to a new location with a number of workers and brood. Budding allows polygyne colonies to populate an area in a short time. Fire ants are highly aggressive and attack when their mounds are disturbed. Before the first ant stings, hundreds of workers climb onto the intruder. The initial sting begins the assault, signaling the rest to clamp down with their jaws and thrust their stinger into the victim. A single ant can sting many times if given the opportunity. Each sting produces a burning sensation that turns into a blister-like pustule. Clearly, fire ants need to be controlled. Most consumers don't understand fire ant biology and how to effectively control them. Professionals know, and scientific research proves, that broadcast applications of slow-acting baits provide the best long-term control.